Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain AI phone mobile app review to save it what you're using. So to get started with the breakdown on the downside about this mobile app, which is AI. So to get started, AI phone app gives user a second number with advanced AI features like real-time call transcription, voice-to-text call summaries, and smart auto replies. It's designed for people who want an assistance like experience while making or receiving calls. The app also supports call recording, voicemail, and work well for business calls or international conversations with live translation. It's easy to use and helpful for professionals who need to remember details from phone conversation or multitask during calls. However, there are some downsides. User reports surprise charges after the free trial ends, issue with app performance, and occasional problem with a real-time transcription or translation. Some some also found that the second number doesn't work with apps like WhatsApp or verification service. While the features are impressive, AI phone is only worth it if you actively use its AI tools and monitor your subscription closely. It's best for advanced users, not casual one, just looking for a basic second phone number. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI phone platform. And that's it.